Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy but refreshing tamarind drink. So here I have an example of tamarind in two forms. I have the paste and I have the pods. The pods still have the shell, it's whole. This is pretty much how you would pick it from the tree. But the paste, they have removed all of the shells, the seed, and the strings. I'm going to be using the paste, but I'm just going to show you how to remove the shells just in case this is all that you can find at the store. Now, tamarind is straight from my childhood. I remember eating it green with pepper and salt. I remember having it stewed with sugar, tamarind balls. It just brings back memories. Now, tamarind is originally from Africa but can be found in warm climates around the world, such as the West Indies and Asia. So I'm just going to use half today. The other half I am going to wrap and store in my pantry in a cool, dark place. To a pot, I've added water and I'm going to place the water onto the stove and bring it to a boil. And if you're interested in making this recipe, I will have a link below in the description box, which is going to lead you over to my blog, jehancancook.com. Now that the water has boiled, I'm going to turn it off and add the paste, and just using my spoon, I'm going to break it up. And the paste is going to sit in this water, is going to extract all of that flavor, and I'll let it sit for about half an hour to 45 minutes until the water is no longer hot. Then I'm going to strain that into a container because you want to separate the liquid from the solids. And once I've separated, I am going to pour that juice into a pitcher. And I'm going to repeat this process until I have strained all of the liquid. Now you can also add more water to this pulp to extract even more flavor. You can also stew the pulp with some sugar, or you can even make sour with the remaining pulp. And I'm just adding that to the pitcher. And next I'm going to add sugar. Now this seems like a lot of sugar, but remember, tamarind has a very pungent flavor. And I'm also going to add more liquid on top of this. But being that this is pretty much room temperature, the sugar will dissolve quickly. Once the sugar has dissolved, I'm going to add additional water. And you want to taste it just to make sure there's enough sugar, but do keep in mind that as it chills, it will taste sweeter. And now I'm just going to remove that little bit of foam that's on top. Now to flavor this, you can add vanilla extract, mixed extract, but I personally just like a little bit of bitters, and I'm just going to stir that in. And it's pretty much done. I'm just going to place this into the fridge to chill before serving. And I'm just going to serve this up in a tall glass of ice, and it is so refreshing. Let me know in the comment section if you've ever had tamarind drink before, or if this is brand new to you. Thank you guys for joining me. Again, the full recipe will be linked in the description box. Please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.